Hi, I'm Bill Obley. I'm a comedian, YouTuber, and funny chef, and I've been doing silly cooking segments on my channel, NEWSMEALS.com, for a while now. But I wanted to send something from my kitchen, display some skills, and serve up some examples of what I do with or to food in my videos. So, this is my kitchen where all the magic happens. Now right now I'm just boiling water, but you'd be surprised how often that's a thing. You know, lobster, pasta, corn, you name it. Now, personally, I'm a comedian, filmmaker, actor.
Well, that's perfect.
You're like zombies!
Curse you, He-Man!
Butter.
Oh, and certified gourmet cook. Probably should have led with that. Anyway, my YouTube stuff. Newsmeals takes anything people are talking about, whether it's news, politics, sports, health, or whatever's trending, and uses food to deliciously lampoon it. The basic idea is to show how easy it is to not fear the food and use it to celebrate whenever you can. Now, finally, a word about content. Since I don't rely only on the usual food-based events like Super Bowl, 4th of July, Thanksgiving, Christmas, I can take any event and show you how to make a fun meal out of it. In other words, why wait for a typical holiday to have fun in the kitchen? Here's what I'm talking about. Getting your kids off to college and out of the house is a major milestone. Hi, Newsmeals is here on the Carolina coast, directly in the path of the big event. So, with everything that's cooking in North Korea lately,
Leaves, romaines,
fried calamari that I'm calling Squid Pro Quo. I'm going to show you how to do a quick Italian red sauce that will likely save your marriage. Well, as far as the pandemic... Oh, sorry. You know, there's a lot of tension surrounding Russia lately. So I'm serving Chicken Kiev. A 5-ring international quesadilla smorgasbord. Johnny Walker Red, sweet red vermouth, maraschino bitters, strain, and garnish with blood orange and a red cherry. You get the picture. Fun food on any day. And since most of us eat or cook every day, it kind of makes sense. So, if any of this sounds intriguing, reach out and we can talk more over a cup of coffee or a cocktail. I'll even bring the shaker. So that's it. Cheers, and hope to hear from you soon.